Don't even try to say you don't like it. There are 3 things in the world that you shouldn't talk about unless you want to start a fight: religion, politics, and Ford Mustangs being anything other than 2-door pony cars. We don't think this Raptor Mustang will start a fight, however. That is, except perhaps within the hearts and minds of full-blown Mustang enthusiasts who want to hate this but succumb to the fact that it's freaking awesome. The rendering comes from our old friend Xtomy Design on Facebook, and frankly, we can't believe someone didn't think of this already. We've seen plenty of real-life off-road Mustang creations, most notably at Backwoods Mud Bog Meets featuring rotted Fox Body 5.0s haphazardly bolted to a Ford Bronco frame. Actually, we've never seen that in person. We've only seen such things in Craigslist ads while searching for new BMW project cars, because we'd never get rowdy at a rural Saturday night sippy hole party. Yeah, that's the ticket. People got real touchy when Ford said it was planning a Mustang-based 4-door SUV earlier this year, and backlash for reviving the Mach 1 as an electric crossover was so bad that the company had to make an abrupt about-face on that decision. But there's something about this Raptor Mustang merger that feels strangely right. How about it, Ford? If you want to take the Mustang in a different direction, this off-road Raptor pony could be your ticket to profit paradise.